This is Mediashala Studio at MRIS Mohali and you're tuned into Beyond the Bubble. I'm Seerath.
And I am Jannat. We are not just scrolling through headline. We're slowing down to understand what's really happening around us.
It's time to dive into stories that make us feel, think and question the world beyond our screens.
From the biggest global buzz to the small movement that really shape our world. We are here to go
Beyond the Bubble. Before we jump into any headlines, let's start with a spark of inspiration because every big conversation starts with a thought. You don't have to be perfect to inspire others. Let people be inspired by how you deal with the imperfections.
That's such a good one. It's easy to think that people only look out for perfection, perfect grades, perfect photo and perfect life.
But the truth is, we connect more through honesty. It's the real stories, not the flawless ones that help us inspire.
Exactly. So be proud who you are because someone out there might need you to see being real.
Alright teens, you know the drill. If it's on our minds, on our feeds or blowing up group chats, it's in Teens Weekly.
Let's talk about social media burnout. You know the feeling when your brain just say enough?
Yup, a huge US study with over 4,000 kids found out when screen time becomes addictive, like feeling stressed without a phone or checking it non-stop, the chances of anxiety, depression and even more scarier thoughts become 2 to 3 times higher.
And in India, a study with teens in Gujarat also showed up the same thing. The more you're addicted to your phone, the more stress, anxiety shoot up.
So here's a small challenge. Spend a day offline. Do something that's just for you. Draw, walk, read or simply just rest.
Let's give a big shout out to India's women cricket team. Fresh up the historic World Cup, they have proved that determination, discipline and grit can take you all over the glory.
They become role models for a whole generation of young girls who dream big and play bold. Also, heads up, starting soon, kids from class 3 will start learning AI in school, not just as a tech subject, but as a way to learn, solve problems and learn future skills.
Wait, the government isn't stopping there. The SOL program is giving students from grade 6 to grade 12 real AI training. So you are not using AI, you are understanding it.
Even teachers are getting on it. IIT Madras just launched a free AI course only for them, so that your classrooms could be powered with more smart and tech-savvy teaching.
So this isn't about AI robots replacing us?
It's about helping you think better, create better and dream bigger.
Because the future isn't coming.
You're already a part of it.
Alright guys, the time you guys were waiting for. It's Pop Rage time. This week the internet is basically a one giant group chat from Desi Beats to Hawken Freaks.
First up, Karan Aujla's new album P-Pop Culture has broken the internet. From every reel to every car speaker, it's that song. Smooth vocals, crazy visuals and enough attitude to fuel your next caption.
And then there is Param, the 19-year-old girl who debuted track. That girl is the anthem that everyone lips is syncing to. No labels, no PR, just pure fire. She has proved that a mic, a hook and a phone is all you need to go viral in 2025.
And speaking of viral, Stranger Things 5 is coming on Netflix. It will drop in 3 parts. November 26, December 25 and December 31 is the end game for Hawkins. Vecna's back, the stakes are high and our childhood nostalgia is in danger.
Basically, Aujla's making heart races, Param's making wage and Stranger Things is taking us all emotional.
That's your Pop Rage update full of feels, beats and total fandom chaos. And now for your favorite part, In Town Insider.
This week we are celebrating Shaurya from grade 9 who brought home a gold medal in inter-school tech competition. Go MRIS!
And congratulations to Bhavya, class 9, for winning gold medal at state level tennis championships.
Our school isn't just about academic, it's about voices, values and victories that matters.
If the internet laughed, cried or collectively said, bro, what? It belongs to Memento.
This month's top meme is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
God, that doesn't even make sense. Yet it's so famous.
Not every meme needs a dark, deep and intense meaning behind it.
It's like an inside joke between the whole world. From being real to being resilient, we have been reminded that our voices, our choices and our stories matter.
Because when we step outside the noises, we start seeing the world more clearly.
This is MRIS Mohali. Stay kind, stay curious, and never stop going beyond the bubble.